Hi, I'm Sangram Ganguly and one of the OpenNEX developers. Thank you for taking the time to visit our site. In this video, I will give a brief introduction to the website and its layout, how to navigate through the site, how to find topics of interest and filtering, where to go to find more detailed information in the resources sections, etc. The intended audience for this section is for anyone interested in an overview of the OpenNEX website and how to navigate it. In the first page, if you hover over the banner image, you will be able to download our 2014 virtual workshop flyer. Go ahead and download it, print it out and distribute it amongst your friends and colleagues. We have organized the website into 5 sections: lab, lectures, challenge, team, and contacts. You can navigate to each section quickly by using the floating navigation menu bar at the top. We have an About section which briefly talks about what this workshop is all about. You can click on each of the tabs in this section to read through the text. In the Data tab, we have also placed a button which says Enter Data Poll. If you click here, it takes you to a form where you can fill in the choice of your data. We will be polling through the user requests and based on popular demand, we'll update the OpenNEX datasets on Amazon Web Services. We have a resource utilization section which will dynamically update the numbers related to total online data that we populate in AWS, total compute hours when users instantiate the labs and work on it, and the total number of labs. We have created 2 portfolio sections related to labs and lectures. For labs, we have organized the labs based on broader tags like climate, remote sensing, AWS, etc. If you click on one of the tabs of your interest, it will only load the labs relevant to it. In this, let us click on remote sensing and it shows the lab tiles that are of interest to you. Let's go back to the All tab. If you click on one of the labs, let's start by clicking on the introductory lab video from the PI of NASA Earth Exchange, Ramanimani. This gives you a brief introduction of the workshop. Let's close this and click on Lab 1. And once you watch the video, click on the Launch Lab button located below. There's a brief description of the lab on the right, followed by a wiki page link. The wiki will get periodic updates based on user feedbacks, and a similar structure of labs are followed for all the other lab tiles. If you click here on the documentation, it takes you to the lab wiki. Just wanted to add in, while you're watching the video, you should always click on the toggle full screen button, which will take you to the full screen mode. You can hit escape on your keyboard to go back to the native interface. To close this particular lab tile, click on the red close button. We will be opening up the lecture links to our dedicated Ustream channel where you can leave comments, chat, and other issues. In order to improve our labs and provide you more support, we have also created a virtual workshop FAQ page which navigates you to the NEX workshop FAQ wiki page. You can click the link here. In addition, at the end of this tutorial, I'll show you on how to provide feedback, comments so that we can address them on a periodic manner. The next point of entry is the OpenNEX challenge. This is the place where we are providing the direct access links to the OpenNEX challenge which is being hosted by Innocentive. The placeholder provides a small description of the challenge. This challenge is open to all. The challenge will go live on 1st July, upon which the Enter Challenge button will go live. There is a register for challenge button too. One needs to register for the challenge on the Innocentive site to participate and win prizes. Along with labs, we are also proud to host our keynote speakers who will be talking on relevant topics related to climate change and earth science. The lectures are a complementary way of showcasing the state-of-the-art climate change science. We have organized the lectures again by relevant tags. For now, we have put remote sensing, climate change, and high-performance computing. As and when the lectures are populated, they will be accordingly tagged. The first lecture is a prologue to our workshop, and the subsequent lectures are talks that we pre-recorded live at our NEX facility. If you click on a particular lecture tile, you will see again a video embedded. You can play the video by clicking on the green video button, share the video with our social network, and watch it full screen by clicking on the toggle full screen feature. Each lecture has a brief description on how this is relevant to the workshop. It also features a resources link which will show as to which of our OpenNEX datasets hosted on Amazon are relevant to the lecture topic. You can close the lecture placeholder by clicking on the cross button on the top right. There are upcoming lectures every month, and we will be populating this segment. To know more on what is coming up, click on the upcoming lectures tile. As you can see, we have several upcoming speakers for now. Please stay tuned. The last section shows our OpenNEX team and developers. We are a small team and always trying to experiment with new ideas and provide users the upper edge in creating solutions and innovations that will promote climate change science and enable climate resilience. If you want to contact us, please do not hesitate to visit our LinkedIn pages and send a note. Last but not the least, we have a footer section that has pointers to the relevant websites and the NASA privacy. Click here to read the NASA privacy segment. If you want to leave a comment or feedback, please click on the mailbox icon here and the form will load up. Type in your name, your email, and any other comments you might have to improve this website. Hit on send. We also have our own Twitter channel. Please help us spread the message. You can see our Twitter updates in a small widget here located in the bottom right of the footer. I also wanted to tell you that the website is designed to be responsive in multiple devices. As an example, I'm pulling up my iPad, and as you can see that the website launches up in a format which is suitable for iPad reading. You can also watch the videos on your iPad directly. In addition, you can also use your mobile phones to see the mobile version of the site. Let's scroll through the iPad version here. As you can see, the whole site is pretty much responsive, and let's just click on one of the labs here, load up the video. We can directly watch the video from here. This ends our website introduction video. Thank you.